Retell the story of two birds by Taytan. They had a nest. They lived. Two of the birds. They are brothers. And one day they saw a hole in his nest. And the brother thinks their little brother will do it. And the little brother will think the brother will fix the hole. And no one did. And the next day, they have a bigger hole because of the wind, the storm. And the brothers think the little brother will fix the hole, and the little brother thinks his brother will fix the hole, and no one does. And another one day, the hole gets bigger, and the storm is very heavy, and makes the nest flew away in the cold, and they were very cold, and they will die. This story teaches that solve problems yourself without waiting for help towards others.